So let's just check the chart once and then place the trade, because that is always safe, because when the market is moving up and when we get a sell call here, then we should be a bit careful. That's not a question for you to ask, Mr. Administrator. I think first of all you should join a meeting with your name, and that would actually be more helpful. And you asking what others have made, you should not be actually asking it. I don't know if you are a trader or not, if you have traded or if you have an account. So SSLT is a sell call. I think we have placed an order here. Let's just check it here. So SSLT, we have a short order already pending. 22950.
There's the buy call in idea 1. There's the buy call in 1.
So this did not get triggered actually, but now SSLT is at 22855. But actually this call did not get triggered here. So there might be problems like this. I have placed the order, but the call did not get triggered. So idea, I have a sell call. Sorry, I have a buy call in idea. 162.60 is my entry. So I am placing a buy call in idea. See, all three are independent softwares. They don't have anything to do with each other, but they will, all three, if you use, they will, it will work better for you. 162.50 is the entry. So I just place the order for idea. Price catch doesn't generate your buy and sell calls. Your buy and sell calls are generated in your FuturesTree and trading tree only. Price catch doesn't generate any calls for you, but in case if you are if you have your own strategy, you can put that strategy here. I mean, you can implement that strategy and it automatically will place the orders. You should understand two things. There is one part is that you have a system which generates the calls, and once a system generates the calls for you, you will have to place the orders, that is manually. Or there is another way of placing the orders, that is through price catch, which will automatically place the orders for you. That is in case if you link that system to your price catch. So that is what, now you got it, I think. Okay. Now what we are actually doing here is, in the next stage, yeah, all three are independent softwares, but they are linked together. Now what we are doing here is, we are trying to make this particular FuturesTree as a robo. Now whenever a call is generated, let's say 590.70, a call is generated here, it will automatically go into the price catch. This will place the order in your nest now or whatever terminal you have. So what you'll have to do is, you'll have to sit in front of the system and book your profits. That's it. The same thing here also. This will take time. I'm telling you the future of trading, that is with ProLogic solutions, will be. Now I got a sell call here. Once a sell call is generated, automatically the Ninja Trader or the FuturesTree, that is the trading tree or the FuturesTree, will send a file to your price catch, and your price catch will trigger that call in your terminal. So at the end of the day, what you are going to do is, you are just going to square off profits. or square of stop losses. Stop losses is also included in the application. In case if the stop loss is hit, again it will send a trigger to the price catch saying that the stop loss is hit, you square off that position in your terminal. It will automatically square off the position in the terminal. I will show you one of these days because I will be, we have already done it. I will show you how it works, but you'll have to be a bit careful, and then you'll have to be, you should have a, nerves of steel to do that, because suddenly one script, two scripts hit an stop loss in the morning, that is at 9:15, 9:16, 9:17, you should not panic and get out. So you will definitely be seeing that auto robo from our FuturesTree to price catch and to your terminal also. So that is already ready. We'll just show you. You can have a look at it once. So any other doubts? I will give you Mago. Don't hurry up. I will tell you, because price catch will come only on monthly basis. So I will give you the pricing for that also. Don't worry. It will be for only one account, because FuturesTree you have for one account, and price catch you can make it for one account. We will try that. We will try that in future, that you can have even multiple accounts on a single platform also. So RANBAXY, if you are not observing, you have a buy call. It's already made its intermediate target. So that is RANBAXY at intermediate target. So intermediate target is around 6% profit here. You can see that here. That is RANBAXY. I didn't place this order, but we could have placed this order here on this candle top. We would have been up 3 rupees now by now. So it's a bit difficult to place the trades while talking. So I have missed a lot of trades now. But in case if you keenly watch the video again on YouTube from the beginning, you'll understand what will be the kind of profits that we could have had. So Asian Paint, I think we can exit. So I'm just squaring this off. Let's see, where is TCS? So TCS has done its R2. We can still wait on TCS. It's on looks a bit strong. So in case if you want to know more about what's going to happen to TCS, then we can check this. You can see that the dollar is rising. So automatically the IT companies will be up and the pharma sector will be up. Okay. Not get the feel for this. I will change, I will show you how the sector works, and the necessity we have that. Let me add TCS here, and let me add Tech Mahindra here, and at the same place we'll add HCL. So you can see all the IT pack is up except Infosys. And let me just check what's happening in the pharma. So RANBAXY you have a buy. Let's change Cipla. So we don't have a call here. And let's put up Lupin. Let's Arvindo is a buy call. I didn't take this call, but it was a very good buy call. And let me add Dr. Reddy's, which was again a buy call. So you can see that you can trade this way also. You can have your own strategies with respect to the sectors. Pharma is up, IT is up, oil and gas is down. Then three sectors you can trade very easily. So this is the PL account now what we have. So 18,000 on the sell side and 15,000 on the buy side. So your total profit is around 15 plus 18. Roughly around 34,000 rupees is the profit, and you can just check the time, that was 2 minutes back. So that was at around 11:08. This was your profits, and the stop losses hit were the bank Nifty, Syndicate Bank, Wipro, but now it is in profit, which I haven't added here. And Hindalco we had a stop loss. But other than that, now if you ask me what is Wipro 590 entry, now it is at 594. So your losses, that is a stop loss on Wipro is already covered. So you want to check it, I will just leave it for a couple of minutes. You can just check, you will get what is the margin requirement. So the margin requirement is slightly high here. It's showing 254. But strategy alert. 254, that is the total. But originally, if you ask me, it will be less than that because many of the calls have been already squared off. So we'll add this PL account for the clients. I mean, all our 1 year clients, you can use it, but just give us a few more days, then we'll add this up. So meanwhile, Adani Ports had put one trade. Now it has executed. So that is a sell call which got executed. Sorry, what were you asking? Please show calls generated or for trades what we have done. See, this is from a different system. Yeah, the PL account what I am showing you, these calls are different calls generated in a different system. So we work on multiple systems. So what you are seeing calls here, I don't have DLF in my system, not the system what you are seeing, but it is there in the other system. Or let's say PFC sale, I did not add it, I added it later. But if you just check, there are some calls which I haven't added, which are here. So these calls are generated on a different system, but the same prices or the entry prices will be the same in both the systems, and for you also. I have entered various calls, various other calls here, and I do even check trading tree, and then I put that call here, and then once I get the call here, and then there are multiple ways I do trading. So you can follow this same strategy also. So you just keep that in mind always, that if you are happy, you should have a target and you should have your loss also defined. So when you have both things, it will be very easy for you to trade actually. So I have just showed you by around 11 o'clock you are making around 34,000 rupees. Your margin is somewhere around 2 lakh rupees. You have made 35, let's say 34,000. That is 17% profit on your investment and 17% intraday investment before 11 o'clock, or let's say 2 hours from the market. 2 hours if you are making 17% returns. I don't think anyone can give you anything better than this. And I'm talking about after all the stop losses being hit also. So REL Infra, now you can see that now it is at 597, 601 was the entry. So BPCL, IOC,
Strategy alert.
Tata Steel, all these have done their final targets. Now you can exit all these calls. Now BPCL has entered. I had placed this trade earlier. You can Apollo Tires. Apollo Tires is what I had entered. Now that has got triggered. Now Adani Power, it got triggered a few minutes back. You are in a profit of 3,400 rupees, and I will tell you what will be the target for that. You can actually exit now. That's a good profit. Considering that is in short position in rising market. So Apollo Tire, I'll give you the target for Apollo Tires. I told you Apollo Tires, we had a buy call, we made profit, and this is the second call. Again from the same trade itself, Apollo Tires, the same buy call. Here it might be showing 1500 loss, but just wait for some time. You'll definitely make some good profit in this. So that is one of the strategy I use. So in case if I couldn't make any trade in Apollo Tires in the morning, I have another chance where I have placed the call earlier and then now it got triggered. So you can set your options here. Now let's say I make, let's say when you have 30 scripts here, and set your target to say around 2,000 rupees for each script, or let's say 20,000 rupees per day, whatever it is. And then it will automatically get squared off, and then you can just make your money and come out. You can even define your loss also. That is one of the best thing what we have here. And if you are doing in double lots, then you can book partial profits also. You can book partial profits on one lot, and then you can let the other trade to go on till you get the maximum out of it. So that is another way of doing it. And you have a position where you can square off all the trades at a single click. If I just click this, I'll just click it and show it to you. It will ask you, do you want to square off all the positions? I'll just say yes. There it goes. All the calls are squared off. And you have another option here, stop loss at entry. So in case if a particular script makes an entry and it gives you profit, you can change your stop loss to your entry point. You'll have to just click this button, stop loss at entry. Since I don't have any calls running, otherwise it would have changed. So you can clear your list always. So don't, one reason why I clear the list is in case if I had made some stop losses, then I don't really go and worry about that, because when it is not in my screen, it is erased out of my mind also. I'll concentrate on the next call. I'll concentrate on the next upcoming call rather than worrying about my stop losses, because I know at the end of the day I'll be in profits. So that will be the final goal for everyone. Price catch, I'll do one thing, sir. Like what I did a video for working of FuturesTree and trading tree. I will give you a video so that you just observe the video and follow the video for a couple of days. You'll get a hang of it, and then you can start using it rather than reading the manual. So I'll just make the video for that. Then you can start observing it, and then you can actually start using it also. So any other questions? I mean, maybe it's around 11:20 now. I would like to square off. I mean, I would like to log out also. If you have any questions, I will definitely like to answer that.
There is a self-buy call in one.
Okay, we have an buy call in Cipla, and we have an nickel sell call alert. So you can do commodities. So commodities is something like every week, in the 5 days, 2 or 3 days, the commodities will be very active. So you can definitely make profits even in commodities also. So Cipla, I'll just show you the buy call is generated here. I'll place the call for this. You can see that this particular candle on the left side, that is your resistance. So I usually place a call there. 650, I will place my trade, Cipla. So I buy about 650.10. So once my resistance at this point is broken, it is bound to go up. So nickel, I can add the call, but I haven't added the scripts here. So if someone can tell me what is the contract ending day for the metals, I will add it, and I will even show you that calls also. So nickel, we have a sell call here. So you can short it at this support, 993.60. That support is a strong support. So if it goes below that, then your next target will be this will be your next target, 991. So can I know what is the contract ending day for aluminium? I will just add it here and show you. If someone can give me the date, aluminium big lot. We don't trade in mini lots. Aluminium big lot. If someone can give me the contract ending day, anyway, I'll add it after some time. 31st December. Okay, I'll just show you how to add it. So what I'll do is I'll just type it here. ALUMIN. Aluminium 1, and then change this to aluminium. That's it. Aluminium 1, nothing, just aluminium here, and you choose the MCX here, the features, and you just type the contract date. That is, what do you say, Mulesh? 31st December. Yeah, okay. So I will just change the date here. 31/12/2014. So I will place an MIS order. The lot size I will put it as 1 only. So 5,000 is the quantity lot size. I'll just, since I'm trading only one part quantity also, I put it as 5,000. Stop loss, let me say I'll put it at 1%. You can change that. So I'll just update it here. So now you can see that at the bottom you have the script added here. That is the current price. 125 is the current price. So you'll get the auto data feed here. So you can just check what is the price of aluminium here. Okay, I'll just show you on the share group. So 125 is your current market price, which is reflected even here also. So aluminium, in case if you ask me what will be a trade, so it's a short call. I think it's flat, but anyway I can put a trade below this S2 level, 124.74. So I just place my order in aluminium. So once it reaches here, it will get triggered.
Strategy alert.
So my syndicate bank, the call is triggered now. You can see it's already made its profit here. But the syndicate bank call what I had placed was from the trading tree. So in case if you would have entered the syndicate bank here, so you would have made at least 2 rupees profit by now. But that is the advantage of having both the softwares. So roughly you would have made around 2,400 rupees profit in each lot if you would have entered at this point, 130 entry.